Hello guys, welcome back to ID Prep Solution channel. Today I am going to explain this question. What are the oxidation numbers of N in NH4NO3? See here, NH4 plus NO3 minus. They ask calculate for nitrogen. NH4 plus, here nitrogen is X. X plus 4 into hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1. 1 equal to, here charge is plus 1 equal to plus 1. X plus 4 equal to plus 1, then x equal to plus 1 minus 4, then x equal to minus 3, and NO3 minus. Here nitrogen is x plus 3 into oxidation state of oxygen in all cases minus 2 equal to minus 1. X minus 6 equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 plus 6, then x equal to plus 5. Oxidation numbers are minus 3 comma plus 5. Minus 3